In Module 3, we are going to learn how to find books in the library catalog. A catalog is nothing more than a listing of books and other material that a library makes available. Books should always be part of your search for information for any paper or project. Books provide information that has usually been written by an expert in a field. They are also edited for accuracy. There are parts of books that provide important clues as to their usefulness to your project. The first part is the table of contents, which is found at the beginning of a book. My assistant will demonstrate later how you can also find a listing of the table of contents for a book when searching in the library catalog. The table of contents will show you what the book is really about. You can use this to determine quickly if the book will help you with your research. The next section of the book that you should always look at is the bibliography. A bibliography is a listing of resources that the author used when researching and writing the book. The bibliography can be found at the end of the book. If the table of contents tells you that the content of the book doesn't quite meet the needs of your project, you can always use the bibliography as a way of finding other resources that may better suit your needs. The last section of a book that I would like to tell you about is the introduction. If the book has an introduction, be sure to read it. You can find the introduction at the beginning of a book, right after the table of contents. An introduction will tell you why the author wrote the book. Understanding why someone decides to write a book, or any other source of information, is very important. Just as you will be asked as a student to write papers that are meant to persuade the reader, or that are meant to inform the reader. Authors of books and papers and websites have similar purposes. Some may try to persuade you to think like they do, while others wish only to inform you. Always read the introduction, and you will begin to learn how to understand purpose and intent. Now please click on the arrow in box 2 and follow my assistant as she shows you how to find books in the library catalog. Be sure to take the quiz at the bottom of the page and print off the report when you are finished.